Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video you guys, I will be making some turkey and vegetable soup. So I will be using the leftover turkey from our Christmas dinner, also some fresh vegetable and herbs, and also some ground provision to make some turkey and vegetable soup. So please stay tuned to the video. So first we're going to start by breaking up the leftover turkey into smaller pieces before we add them to the pot. We're going to also add the turkey stuffing as well to the soup. So once your pot of water is boiling and ready to go, you're just going to add your turkey pieces to the water and have it boil for about 20 minutes to a half an hour before you add the rest of the ingredients for the soup. So after about 30 minutes, I'm adding in my ground provisions and my vegetables to the pot. I will also be adding in my seasonings and herbs, and I will have that boil for approximately 20 to 25 minutes before I add the rest of the ingredients. And also guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. So after 20 minutes of the ground provision already in the pot, I'm now going to add some dumplings to the soup. And after this, I will be adding some of my green seasoning and also the turkey stuffing to the soup as well. So after about 20 minutes of the dumpling boiling in the pot, I will now be adding my vegetables. And if you're wondering what kind of vegetable this is, you guys, it's just pop choy or pop chow or bok choy. Depending on what part of the world you are from, you will pronounce it differently. But yeah, guys, this is what I'm adding to the soup as well. And this, because this is at the end stage, you do not have to boil this for no more than 10-15 minutes. So there you have it, guys. Our turkey and vegetable soup is now done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dish you guys out some and bring you in for a close-up. So there you go. If you have stick and stayed with me till the end, thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.